Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make homemade dog treats. These treats are made with peanut butter and pumpkin and are sure to be a hit. Homemade dog treats are a simple way to let your pups know they are loved. In a large mixing bowl, I'm going to add in 2 eggs, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, and 1/3 cup of peanut butter. You want to make sure to use natural peanut butter and that the peanut butter doesn't contain xylitol. Then give it a stir to combine. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Then you're going to add in 2 cups of whole wheat flour and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. You can also use pumpkin pie spice as well, but make sure to not use nutmeg, it can be toxic to some dogs. Then stir to combine. Now on a clean floured surface, you're going to roll out the dough. This might seem like a lot of flour, but this dough is pretty sticky, so make sure to have plenty of flour. Then I like to place some plastic wrap over the dough to help from sticking. Then gonna roll it out to about 1/4 inch thick. Now I'm using a dog bone cookie cutter to shape the treats, but you can shape the treats any way you like. Now once you have cut out your shape of treat, place them on a baking sheet that's been lined with parchment paper, and continue this process for the remaining treats. Now with this size of cookie cutter, I was able to make 25 dog treats. Then you're going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 to 40 minutes, depending on desired level of crunchiness. I found that the sweet spot for our pup is to bake them for 25 minutes. Now remember, they also get crunchier after they have cooled. You can store these treats in an airtight container for up to 1 month in the refrigerator. Now while these treats are cooling, let me introduce you to the pups that these treats are for. Right here is my parents' dog, Little Minnie. She is a toy poodle and is 5 years old, and her favorite playtime is playing catch. And right here is our baby Sugar. She is also a toy poodle and is 10 years old. She's attached to our daughter and is always by her side. They are both sweethearts and very smart. These homemade dog treats are Sugar and Minnie approved. Well, I hope your fur babies enjoy these treats. By chance, if you guys make these, please tag me on social media. I would love to see your fur babies. And you guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! Well, if you guys would like to see a pumpkin recipe for you, I have a pumpkin bread recipe right here and another recipe right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye!